What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's episode, I'm going to show you how to install a rear main seal using, of course, there's a special tool for it, the OTC 7834 rear main seal installer onto your Ford 4.0 liter single overhead cam engine. Let's get started. The way this tool works is it has a cup, and inside the cup is a little lip. And what happens is your rear main seal sits right in that lip and it pushes it in perfectly right up against the crankshaft. Now, the first thing you have to do is you have to take this piece here, and included are two smaller Allen head bolts, and they thread right into where the flywheel bolts go. With that complete, we can now go ahead and take our new rear main seal and place it over the tool like so. Now, a common misconception is that you take the seal off of this metal sleeve. That's incorrect. The metal sleeve gets pushed over the crankshaft, and basically it just gives the seal a nice new surface to ride on in case there's any nicks or grooves worn into your existing crankshaft. So I'm going to lubricate my seal. I'm not going to tell you guys what I'm using because then I'll get beat in the comments as far as, oh, you're supposed to use this or you're not supposed to use that. So use what you want. I'm lubricating this. Put it over the tool like so. All right, so with your seal over the first part, what you want to do next is you want to take the cup and you want to put it over like that. And then I'm going to need two hands. You're going to take your 16mm bolt, put it through the center, and then it starts threading into there. With your second tool in place and your 16mm bolt threaded all the way down, we can simply go ahead and take our 16mm socket and start tightening this center piece. Now you want to go nice and slow, make sure it's going in even. And as you can see, it is pushing the new seal into position. Once you get to the end, you will feel the bolt bottom out. That means you're complete. You can go ahead, take your bolt out all the way, and remove the cup tool. And now with the cup removed, you could go ahead, undo your two Allen bolts, and take that piece off. With your last piece removed, you can see how perfectly it pressed it in all the way around. Now, I don't particularly like to buy tools to do something once, but I'm constantly working on 4 liters, and I figured it'd be a good investment. And I have to say, I'm very happy with the turnout because it presses it in evenly. There's no spots sticking out, no spots sticking too far in, and it's guaranteed a good seal. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope I could help. Thanks.